Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a very cool day. I mean, I am so excited. As you guys can see in front of me, today I received 2 M18 FUEL Blowers. This is not sponsored by Milwaukee. Everything that was bought, I paid for myself. But I just thought that I'd bring you guys a quick video about these M18 blowers. The model number on these are 2724-20. It comes with, well, one blower, one 8-amp battery, one charger. And I gotta tell you, me and my son, we took these out, and these things are vicious. I mean, they are so powerful. And let me give you guys a little taste. I mean, these things have 2 modes. They have turtle and rabbit, which I think is phenomenal for Milwaukee to actually do that. It's very easy to understand. Everybody knows that a turtle moves slow and a rabbit goes fast. So, I mean, but these things are absolutely beautiful. They weigh about 4 pounds. And they are powerful. Just to give you guys a little idea, I know you can't feel it, but you can hear the power. That's on high, that's on rabbit mode. And then we have turtle mode. And when you blast 2 of these together, well, it just sounds like a damn jet taking off. I mean, those things are powerful. I would highly recommend, if you're looking for a blower that's battery operated, that you can just grab and go real quick, I would definitely recommend the Milwaukee M18 FUEL. The model number is, again, 2724-20. And go ahead, get yourself one. If you guys own property or you own a house with a front and backyard in the fall for leaves or just dust, like, you know, us, you know, where we are in the city, there's constant paper, just debris, garbage. So, you know, having 2 of these now, me and my son can attack it from both sides and we can get that property clear real quick. On some other news, we have a very, very big announcement coming within 30 days. You guys are definitely going to want to stick around to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that now. Hit that subscribe button. Turn the bell notification on so you guys are notified as soon as we post our new video, because you're going to want to hear this news. I waited a long time. I've worked really hard to do what we are planning on doing, and it's been done. As of this morning, everything is signed, sealed, and delivered. So definitely stick around for this channel. Thank you. You're definitely going to want to stick around to this channel to get a glimpse of the big announcement. And then I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride with that announcement, and it's going to be a project like we've never done before. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, share this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. And if you're looking for a blower, well, look no more. Go out and grab the Milwaukee 2724-20, and I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. Alright guys, ciao.